So, hello, what is up, everybody? I hope you all are doing very well. So, today is the first video of our channel called the Deutsch class, and it's going to be really exciting and fun. We'll be learning German together. So, let's start. By the way, welcome to the Deutsch class. So, let's see something about German. So, German or Deutsch is the native language of Germany. However, this language has been spoken in many countries like Austria, Switzerland, some parts of Italy, Poland, Luxembourg, Belgium. German is a very beautiful language and with a wide use of vocabulary. So this is a very important point because like in English there are some words for which there are only there is limited vocabulary for describing something, but in German there is a different word for a different thing. So the German language has been divided into three periods, namely the Old High German, the Middle High German, and the Early New German. So you all might be wondering what is the strange name, the Deutsch class. So Deutsch is the German name for German. Sounds a bit funny, but so the pronunciation of what appears on the screen, this part is this Deutsch, Deutsch. Okay. So let's move on. So now we'll be learning some basics of German, like because every language you need to know the basics before doing it. So what's the first thing you interact with a person in the language you know? So it's hello, right? So hello is called hallo. So it's not a big difference, but hello and hallo. So there's only a difference right here. The second thing, greetings. So greetings is called Begrüßung. So this U part with two dots, this is called umlaut, U umlaut. Okay, and this beta sign. So the beta sign is called Z, and the pronunciation is double S. So it's like so. So Begrüßung. So the next thing you say is like good morning. So Guten Morgen. It's called Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Then you say maybe it's afternoon at your area. So you might say good afternoon or good day. So it's called Guten Tag. Guten Tag. This is not tag because you pronounce this as tag in English, but it's Tag in German. Good evening. So good evening is called Guten Abend. Guten Abend. Now we have good night. So good night. So here we have, it's called Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. So pronunciation of CH is KH, and there is no N. I think it's written by mistake. So there is no N over here. So it's Gute Nacht, and the pronunciation of this word is Nacht. Nacht. Okay. So after you meet them and you talk to them, what will you say? Like if you want to leave, so you might say see you again. So that in German is called Auf Wiedersehen. So Auf Wiedersehen. So I know it's a big word, but it's easy to pronounce. So you just need to break it like this. See, Auf is one part. Auf. This is the second part. Wieder. And the third part is this part. It's called Ziehen. Ziehen. So you club it together and you pronounce it as Auf Wiedersehen. That's see you again, and it's the formal form of see you again. Secondly, if you are talking to someone who's who you want to talk to informally, so you say Tschüss. This is Tschüss. This is an umlaut right here. This is an umlaut and this is an Z. This is U umlaut, and that's called bye. Informally saying bye. Nextly, we have Danke. So K is pronounced as K. Danke. Okay. So right here we have Danke. You have E in the end, so you have to pronounce it as Danke. This E is silent. It's just like that. And then nextly you have bitter. So bitter means please, or you can also use it to say welcome. The next word is bisbald. So this is an important word. You can use it either as formally or you can use it both formally or informally, and it's see you soon in English. Bisbald is see you soon. And the next is danke schön. So there's a mistake right here. I think it's over here, not down. Okay. So danke schön. So here there's an o umlaut. Okay. So this is danke, same like over here, danke, and schön. So this is a new word. So instead of pronouncing it like this, you can pronounce it like this, schön. So this is the pronunciation of schön, and it means thanks a lot. Okay. So I think that's the end for today. Thank you for joining us. We will be coming up with new videos. Thank you.